In this video, we will show you how to use short.io. If you guys want to get started with short.io, you can use the links down in the description. First, visit short.io and create an account if you don't have one already. If you do, just log in with your credentials. Once logged in, go to the dashboard and find the Create Short Link button. Enter the long URL you want to shorten into the provided field. You can personalize the short URL by adding a custom alias or choosing a custom domain if you have one. This step is optional but helps make the link more recognizable. Next, click the button to generate the short URL. Once created, you'll see the new short link displayed. Now copy this link to share or use as needed. Use short.io's dashboard to monitor link performance, view analytics, and manage your short links. You can check click-through rates, geographic data, and more. So that's how to use short.io. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with short.io. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.